శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 76th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Sriman Mahabharatam Adi Parvam 67th and 68th chapters, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi saying to Janamejaya Maharaju like this, O Raja, the child who was raised by Radha and her husband, the child's name is Vasushena. He became so great soldier and he also learned all the Vedangas. And while he is doing Japam, whoever goes to him and asks anything, that definitely will be given to those persons by Vasushena. There is no way that he would say no, and there is no way that anybody would not get anything from Vasushena. So, Indra, in order to protect his own son Arjuna, Indra took a Brahmana form and went to Vasushena and asked for Kavacha Kundalas. Then Vasushena cut those Kavacha Kundalas from his body and gave to Indra. Ever since then, Tato Vaikartanaha Karnaha Karmanatena Sobhavat. Ever since then, he is named after Karna and he became famous as Karna. So Indra, after receiving Kavacha Kundalas from Karna, gave one weapon which is called as Shakti. And Indra says, O Karna, anyone, you may take Deva, Asura, Manushya, Gandharva, Uraga, Rakshasa, anyone. On anyone, if you shoot this Shakti weapon, there is no way that he would be still alive. Such powerful weapon is given to Karna by Indra. And after that, he became a best friend to Duryodhana. So Karna is born with the spark of Surya. Ho Raja, estu Narayano nama Devadevaha Sanatanaha. Then Sakshat Paramatma Sriman Narayana born as Vasudeva. Seshasya Amsascha Nagasya Baladevo Mahabalaha. With the spark of Adisesha, Balarama is born. With the spark of Sanat Kumara, Pradyumna is born. And then with so many Devata sparks, there are so many kings have born. According to Indra's orders, all the Apsarasas also with their sparks born on this earth and became 16,000 Gopikas and became Sri Krishna's wives. And Sakshat Mahalakshmi Devi is born as Rukmini Devi with her spark in Bhishmaka's dynasty. And Sachi Devi is born as Draupadi. Pandava's both mothers, Kunti Devi, Madri, are the sparks of Siddhi and Dhruti. O Raja, this is how all the Devatas and Gandharvas, Rakshasas, with their sparks they have born. So those who gets to listen to this chapter will never be in trouble. Then Janamejaya Maharaj asking, O Vaisampayana, can you please tell me the very beginning of Kuru Vamsam? Then Vaisampayana saying that, O Bharatashrestha Janamejaya, there used to be one king Dushyanta. He used to rule this entire earth. He used to be very powerful and he used to rule the kingdom, rule the entire earth with all his righteousness. Under his ruling, everybody used to follow righteous path and all the Brahmanas used to do their own karmas. And there is no one who used to lie and timely rains, timely so many crops, and this Dushyanta Maharaju is equal to Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu in strength, equal to Sakshat Surya Bhagavan in effulgence. Like that, he is ruling the entire earth. Like that, Vaisampayana Maharshi saying to Janamejaya Maharaj. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sriman Mahabharata, the divine scripture. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, and while dedicating ourselves to Sriman Narayana, let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Hey Bhagavan, we will do those 8 things definitely. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.